Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how you can efficiently manage all your HR queries and requests in a few simple steps by using the Orange HRM Request Desk. Request and query management in Orange HRM allows users to efficiently manage various types of work-related requests and queries in a streamlined manner using the Request Desk. It serves as a centralized platform where employees can submit and track requests related to IT, HR, finance, accounts, and general inquiries. These are the benefits of using the Orange HRM Request Desk. Workflow automation of common employee requests. Efficient management of communication between the requester and involved parties. Optimized workflow automation. Ability to automate request routing if the owner is absent. Reports and analytics on request volume, response times, providing insights that can help improve operations. Now let's see how the Request Desk process works in a few typical scenarios. Adela is a technical support intern at her office. After successfully finishing her internship, she plans to use the Request Desk to submit a formal request for an internship completion letter. Adela is now adding the changes to the request before submitting it. Certain information is required to be submitted as part of this request, but if Adela wishes to add any additional details, she can do so here. Once she has submitted the request, HR will be notified by email, and now, Jacqueline, the HR director, can work on the request. Once this request is complete, Jacqueline will mark it as closed. She can then review this and other requests in the Request Desk reporting, which reveal important insights, such as the time taken to resolve requests, the total number of requests, and other information that can help you make decisions on how to improve internal processes. Now let's have a look at another example. Hiring requisitions. Linda is a talent acquisition manager at her office. She would like to request to hire an HR intern to help with some of her recently increased workload. Here's how she can do that using the Request Desk feature. Linda is going to submit a hiring requisition through the Request Desk module. Linda is filling out the required details for this type of request. In this window, Linda is defining the vacancy details of the position. And she is also able to see the number of levels and level approvers involved in this request at the bottom. If the request owner, Aaron, needs to communicate further with Linda on this request, he can use the comment section to send any notes to her. He may need to do this if she's left out some information that he needs. Additionally, if Aaron is out of the office, approvers can delegate this task to a secondary owner of the request. This feature is really helpful as the secondary request owner can complete the request if the primary request owner is not available. Now that Linda has added and verified all the necessary details, she can submit the request, which will go to the request owner for review. Now the approvers will be notified of the request via email, and it is visible under the My Action widget in the dashboard. Once the request has been approved by the request owner and approvers, the HR manager can now create a job advertisement for the position and post it on the company website. Linda has now successfully submitted her requisition, and she will soon be interviewing candidates. Now let's see how you can use the Request Desk feature for IT-related requests. Christopher from Finance has been having issues with his laptop recently, and he'd like someone from IT to see if he can get it fixed. Christopher can use Request Desk to request IT assistance for his laptop. Here he can fill in all the details of his request, so the IT team can best help him. Once the request is submitted, the IT team is notified by email, and the request will appear on the request owner's dashboard on the My Actions widget. Imadi, the task owner, can add comments to the request and chat with Christopher using the comments section if he needs more information. Imadi can then take a look at the laptop and fix the problem. Christopher effortlessly submitted an IT-related request using Request Desk, and IT solved the problem just as easily. Now let's see how you can use the Request Desk feature to submit self-resignation request. Jaden is taking some time off work to complete her degree, so she's going to submit a resignation request using Request Desk. First, Jaden can select the request type as resignation request, and now she can add details to the request by filling in the required fields. Once she submitted the request owners and level approvers will get notified via email to review and complete the request. Jacqueline can also add comments to further communicate this request with Jaden. Once the request is approved, Jacqueline can start Jaden's offboarding process in Orange HRM. These are just a few examples of how you can use Request Desk to streamline your employee requests and operate more efficiently. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.